In this video, I am going to show you how to multiply cells in Apple numbers on Mac, and this is very beginner friendly tutorial. So let's see how we can multiply using Apple numbers. So this is a purchase list, like couple of items are there, their weight and per pound price. Now we want to find out what is the total price by multiplication of these two value. So let's see for the first row. So this is the row. We have the weight 1.5 pound and price per pound is $3. So let's see how much is the total by multiplication. So at first I need to click the area or cell where we want to show the result of this multiplication. Then I have to type equal, and then the formula window will be appeared. Now we have to choose the data. So this is the weight. I'm going to click here, so it will be like this. Then we have to type static, which is the multiplication sign, and then the next value is price per pound. I'm going to click here, so it will be like this. So B2, then multiply C2. So this is B2 and C2, and then we have to hit this green tick mark or green icon to apply this formula. I'm going to click here, and very shortly we'll see that output is $4.50. So this way we finish the multiplication. To apply this multiplication for other rows, we can directly copy this data and we can select the area where we want to paste or see the multiplication, and I'm going to paste it, and here it is showing the multiplication. If you click anywhere, you'll see the formula, this thing multiply by this one. So this one and this one is the multiplication, and this is the output of this multiplication. And that's it. In this way we can easily multiply cells in Apple numbers on Mac.